Okay, today we're going to be replacing the sway bar links on my daughter's 2009 Hyundai Accent. You can probably hear in this video the symptoms. It's kind of a listen, you can hear the kind of a clunking, rattling sound. And when I got checking underneath the vehicle, discovered those sway bar links had just a little play in them. It's enough to make a clunking noise as you're going down the road. So just ordered in the parts and they've arrived. So we'll continue after this. Okay, got the wheels off. Got the front end jacked up. The back tire scotched, and you see that sway bar link there. And up here, this one just definitely don't look right. It is now. And I mean, you can move it very easily, just like that. So it got me thinking the same way at the top. So that's on the passenger side. Okay, I've got the passenger side one off, and as you can see, a lot of slop in there. A lot of movement on the top and on the bottom. Seems like way more than there should be, although there's a ball joint in the end there. Shouldn't be moving that much. That allows for too much movement going down the road when you hit a bump. Alright, here we have our old one over here and our new one. And as you can see, there's a little bit of movement in this one too, but it's not shot like the other. If you remember that thing there, just wore plumb out. Alright, we've successfully replaced the passenger side sway bar link on this 2009 Hyundai Accent. It's a pretty easy job on that. Alright, we're going to switch around to the driver's side. Alright, we've replaced the one on the driver's side now. It wasn't as bad condition as the other. It still had a little play in it though, but it was definitely in better shape than the other. But I believe on something like this, if you're going to replace one side, especially on suspension, you're smart to go ahead and replace both sides at the same time. The new one is installed. It's a bit of a heavier bar too, so maybe these will hold up better. We'll put the tires back on it, take it for a spin, see. Alright, the sway bar links have been replaced, and hallelujah, the clunking, rattling noise is gone. I'll take it on a little rougher road here to check it out good, because on uneven surfaces, things like that is when it will present itself the most. But I've already driven about a half a mile, haven't heard any of those sounds. So very grateful and happy that that's worked out that way. The sway bar links locally, I was quoted as high as $44 a piece. I went online to carparts.com and got the passenger side and the driver's side, both shipping and all, was a little over $18, and they were heavier duty than the original ones that were on the car, but they lined up perfectly, and I'm so happy. Now next thing, we'll have a little exhaust leak we have to get taken care of, and this sweet little car, my daughter's, is going to be sounding and operating as it should. Thanks for watching.